Free training from the UK Parliament Teacher Training Team is a great way for trainee teachers to prepare to teach politics and citizenship. You can take part in a training workshop here at Parliament along with a tour of the estate.
We host these workshops for all age phases and subjects for initial teacher trainees, and we can link to different areas of the curriculum and make sure that it's relevant for those that are joining us. We don't just work in this room, but we also explore the building, visit galleries to watch the live debates as they happen in the chambers, and tour the building so that you can get a sense of the history and how everything works.
The UK Parliament Teacher Training Team can also come to you and run a free workshop in your organisation.
Personally, when I was in school, it didn't really get covered that much because clearly I'd know a lot more about it if it was. So it'd be nice to go into a school and share this information.
Yeah, I think it was important because even at university level, we still didn't understand, know some of the questions that were in the quiz. So I feel like it was crucial for our knowledge.
So let's start with group here. Does anyone know what we keep in the Victoria Tower? Gold? No. Great answer though. So it's an archive of all the laws that have been passed at Parliament, taking us all the way back to the kind of mid-1400s.
I learned things about House of Lords, House of Commons, a bit of history.
Every time that we work with Parliament, they are supportive, informative, engaging, and they always go out of their way to make us feel welcome, and the work and the information and the resources they're able to provide to the trainees are second to none.